Good morning, dear friends. I just want you to know that, currently we are on excursion at Dodome, Awuiso. So, as you can see, Dodome, Awuiso. Hanya takwanyara ikala Volta, Ntoma, na Adoho, Afinayi. Takwanyara, very beautiful environment. You can see nicely. You can see the environment, mountainous area. You can see clearly by yourself. Yeah. So don't always sit in Accra and saying that you have seen it all. Come out. Yeah. You know, these are the environment. You can see the road, very beautiful, and a very beautiful environment. Yeah. You can see the mountain. So where I am right now is on top of the mountain. Yeah. The Dome Aviaso. Yes. So apparently, don't always sit in Accra and say, yes, I know all. Please travel. See, green environment. Very beautiful place for farming and everything you need. The people here, they are very nice. Yeah, so come out, okay?